Good evening, my brethren. I'm of God, and welcome to the keyboard world. Now, we are going to play some cool tones for you. These are sound tests. So, let us begin by any means with the first tone. Now, we are going to try to do something with this. We're going to make little melodies. So, pump up the volume a little bit, and here we go. First song. Oh, that was the first song for ASCO Marching In. Let's try it with a different tone, shall we? Now, we are going to go to the brass section, which is 127, so that may take us a while. Still, though, if you are enjoying this video, please like and let me know. Your guys' opinion means the world to me, and it matters a lot. Like I said, I'm not letting them people win. Oh my god, did you hear that? Listen. Crap. That was a little hard for the trumpet. Now, let's play it in a different tone, which is the, I don't know if you guys can see that or not. Alto sax. Let's try on this. And one more, and we're going to close this video. So that was sax. You heard all the other ones. Ooh, flute. Let's try it on this one. And see, I surely couldn't leave you guys without just one more. So we are going to try to find the number 95. Didn't take that long either, did it? The strings go on 95. So we gonna take it down. Haha. Violin. So pretty. And that is all for this. This was Tuesday's video. I decided to delete it and make it a little bit better for Thursday. So this is Thursday's video now. So please like, comment, and subscribe. If you want more, let me know. And I'll see you in the future. Probably next Tuesday. So, Wolf God out.